Hello friends, welcome to After School, and in today's video we will see how to get the area and perimeter of square and rectangle. So let's begin. Our first question is, find the area of rectangle whose length is 5 meters and breadth is 6 meters. So to find the area of a rectangle, there is a formula of length into breadth. So we will use this formula to solve this question. So the formula is length into breadth. Now we will rewrite this question with the question that is in our main question. So I will not write length. Instead of length, I will write the actual length, which is 5 meters, and instead of breadth, I will write the breadth, that is 6 meters. I have written in centimeters, so I will erase it and write meters. So now we will multiply this. 5 into 6. 5 into 6 is equals to 30, and then meters into meters is equals to meter square. So our answer is 30 meters square. So our answer is area equals to 30 meters square. We can also write it as 30 square meters. So let's move on to our next question. Our next question is, find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 5 meters and breadth is 6 meters. What this question means is that there is a rectangle whose length is 5 meters and breadth is 6 meters. So, first we will know what is the difference between area and perimeter. So, let's take an example of a rectangle. The inside area, which is this, is known as area, and the boundaries are known as perimeter. So, we need to find the perimeter, which means that we need to find this rectangle's border. So, let's find it. I am going to erase this. Now, I will write. So, the formula to get the rectangle perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. Length plus breadth. Now, I will rewrite this question as 2 into, instead of length, I am going to write 5 meters, and instead of breadth, we will write 6 meters. So, because this 5 centimeter plus 6 centimeter is in brackets, and in BODMAS rule, B comes first and B stands for brackets. So, first we will solve the bracket one. So, 2 into 5 plus 6 is equals to 11, and meters. We will not write meter square because it is not multiplied. So, 2 into 11 is equals to 22. So, our perimeter is equals to 22 meters. So let's move on to our next question. Our next question is, find the area of a square whose dimensions are 25 meters. So what this question means is that there is a square. What I am making is not a perfect square. So this is a square. Its dimensions, which means all of its sides are equal, that's why the dimensions of its are 25 meters. One side is 25 meters, and because squares all sides are equal, so it is 25 into 4, which means all sides are 25 meters. We need to find the area. So to find the area of a square, what we need to do is we will multiply side with another side. So we'll rewrite this question as 25 meters multiplied by 25 meters equals to 25 into 25. Let's multiply. 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 2s are 10, plus 2 12, 5 2s are 10, 0, carry 1, 2 2s are 4, 1 5. हम लोग ऐड करेंगे अब 2 5 1 6, 625. And because there are 2 meters and they are all in multiplication, so we will write it as 625 meters square. So our area is equals to 625 meters square. We can also write it as 625 square meters. So let's move on to our next question. Find the perimeter of a square whose dimensions are 35 meters. So what this question means is that there is a square whose dimensions are 35 meters. We need to find its perimeter. So let's find the perimeter. To find the perimeter of a square, the formula is 4 into side. We'll rewrite it as 4 into 35 meters equals to 35 into 4. 5 4s are 20, 0, carry 2. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 4, 3 are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 140. So, meters. So, our perimeter is 140 meters. We will not write it as meter square because there is not another meter in our question. It is 4 into the side, not 4 meters into the side. So, our answer is 140 meters. So, let's move on to our next question. Our next question is, if a square field has the dimensions 40 meters, then find the area of the field and the length of the wire for fencing the boundary. What this question means is that there is a square field whose dimensions are 40 meters. We need to find the area of the field and the length of the wire for fencing the boundaries. So first we will find the area. So to find the area of a square, there is a formula of side into side. We will rewrite it as 40 meters into 40 meters equals to 40 into 40 is equals to 1600 meters square. So now we will find the length of the wire. Because wires are put on the boundaries of the field, we will find the perimeter of the square field, because perimeter is equals to the boundary. I will erase the square. Now to find the length of the wire, I will 4 into side. We will rewrite it as 4 into 40 meters equals to 160 meters. I don't have space, so I will write over here. Therefore, area of the field is 1600 meters square and the length of the wire is 160 meters. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Subscribe please.